like that boy I want to murder him today, no. Juta! Juta!
Yo, last night the party did shocking on youth. Remember which part we turn up for a girl, them a dash out. The whole time me I look for your dog, you look like you're gone for one whole half an hour.
Then you don't notice that the brownie will stand up back at you. You see how they deny that? I'm telling you.
No, you know? No, you know, boy. Because we are wait to see if you ask about it, you know. But wait till one of them day, mom sketch you.
What you talk about? What you talk about moms they catch and where me get catch? You know how long me I do this youth? You, me a veteran in this youth. You see me? A long time me a girl this brother. That me I tell you. Oh, me can't get catch brother. How you talk to man? Nah man.
That's why I have to rate you, you brother. See the customers that turn upside of me? Oh, Kyo me give him chatting, nah moving on. Kyo me give girl running, nah moving on. Come like a girl and I'm selfish, you know.
You have to know if you chop him pan and girl, you see me? But don't worry yourself man. Next time me show you how to deal with it. You see me? Yeah man.
Yo, Juta, I wish you man that I come with long thing. Yo, Juta, watch out!
What?
Juta, imagine, Juta, imagine, Juta. Imagine, say, you give me a pants and for wash them, I search your pants pocket, them a condom, I see my pocket, Juta. What you deal with? What you deal with, Juta?
What you talk?
What you deal with?
Where you do? Where you ease yourself, man?
Oh, mama, man, you're free, you know. Watch how you're free, you know, mama. Yo, you need to talk to your woman, you know.
I want to you. Nothing like, no, go. Watch out. Yo.
Nobody say no, man.
So, mama, man, why are you all fling on me, you know? Yo, Juta, me a cut, you know.
Cut? Oh, you for cut, brother. You can't cut and you make it happen. B, let me explain
What's
this.
that about?
Brother, you give me a thing now. When I dance, you give me a thing fall, you know.
We are talking about my
Think
youth.
about one thing. You can't do this, you coming out, you don't know
You
where.
can't cut, brother. Babe, let me explain this to you. My you, remember no? Thing where you give me for putting in my pocket, my youth. And you end up go and left it. Remember good no man? I remember end up for put it in my pocket.
Yes, mama, I need to give me for all, you know. I need to give me for all. Mama, sorry, man, you'll come in here and get in trouble, my youth. I need to give me for all, man. I need to give me for all. How are yourself, mama? I feel me, man.
Yeah, you see it?
Give me.
And you come cause one bag of excitement star. I don't like them things there no you. School man. You know from the rate you already. Nothing like that no go on. Just school man. Easy yourself no man. Just come go down man and go wash it. Just school man. I know say love you already man. I know say I don't have shop me come say me can get something for you. What you want?
Man, next time not take nothing from nobody and I mean nothing bad get nothing for hold, you see me? Cause you can hold people things and put you in trouble, see? Then get condom for one and make me in a problem now. Don't do it next time.
So where you want in that shop?
A rum cream. What a rum cream?
Alright, may I get it for you man. Just go on and go wash up the clothes man. The soul coming. Yeah, babe.
Boy, easier. Easy, the boy. Tough boy. Tough boy. Easy.
Yeah man, and someone have to do it man. You see me? Read. Watch how this look like mom's phone so.
Boy, mama in a heap, mama dropping your phone and not even know.
Yeah. So how this I send her please call me? Hold on, I'm call back the number yeah. Hello, babe.
I say I might get good grades, but I'm me alone. I tell the boy Juta hard. So no boy hard, but guess what? I'm seeing I get good grades. Hundreds, A's, and I feel good, brother. know sometimes man don't want to get up, but guess what? You have to do it.
For real, man.
Like that, I'll do good.
My daughter, she go and go in a school still, no? Grades and everything, you know. But it be a bad thing I call upon her name, man, youth.
Yeah?
If you look at 8-year-old girl, my youth, that's not appropriate, then. Be a bad things I call upon her name, man. Where do you say them thief and money, she thief and money, and them things, them feel like embarrassed. You know them way there?
So she?
Well, I hear saying, boy, she told she move, boy, I feel believe, you see me?
Yeah, for sure she, man. Can't make them give her no bad name, you know, man.
You know when your granny say, if you're going to follow rules, follow shit on you, at that. Fear fall, because if she never go certain place, her name can't call up certain way. You know what I mean, brother? But I go fix it, man. When mama tell her.
That's how you go, you know.
Yeah,
Girl putting them things, you know. Can't do hash pan them, you know. Take time with them. Girl picking, that's how you go.
For real, man.
Yeah, man, I with them.
Hello.
What?
You know, say your daughter can't keep your daughter money where me come from. I want to know how it all go, you know.
I mean my daughter thief your money. I don't believe that. What not ever say?
Of course she can't keep my daughter money. So I want to know the money how I go now. Ask her how it go.
Look a girl, my daughter thief money from you.
Yes.
Yo, what be on there? You see same thing when I tell about my youth. A be bad things I call upon her name.
My youth. I just want more and my money I come for. Just give me money. I go on and I go here. Come on a long talking. I just want back my money.
Alright, just worry about your money. Come on and joke.
Collect your money, baby.
Well, listen.
Keep your daughter here and keep her out of problem. Come on here, baby. We are go home.
Yo, where money there? Where take up? Come on, listen to me now. No, just no bother with it. You hear me say? Just give me the people the money. If you want me, you feel alright. You see me? Cause your name been calling up all about the place. Say this a thief and this a... Me no want that I call. Just give me people the money.
But me never,
Give me
I write
people
it so
the
I sit
money.
down all along, me never take up no money. Me dey write it so from money on your phone. Me no know where I talk, but me never steal no money. Me no know where people them a talk, but I lie them a tell for me.
Brianna, me no want to beat you.
Daddy.
Listen to me. Me say, me no want to beat you.
Daddy, me never thief no money. Me never thief no money.
Tap nice, man. Me no want to hear nothing more from you, no. Go and go pick one switch. Go and go pick one switch, man.
A little girl could not know nothing, you know. Be a lie, them a tell upon him, you know. So I keep my little pitney in my eye, you know.
Yo, sorry. You know, some of us check out mommy and our friend them. You know, so Brianna think so Brianna thief him money.
So how I want to thief him money? So I want to thief him money and make him money no problem. Give me money, man. Give me money. Give me it, man. You mustn't do that, man. You mustn't touch people things. No, if you do it. Matter of fact, come go down to the mother. Go on. Right now, Rasta want him money, and if he don't there beat her, you little daughter for him money. Come on, down a yard to the mother. Don't do it again.
Somebody think money, they want blame for me come look like people who can't take money. I don't know, don't believe me.
Jota! Yo, Jota!
Yo!
Where there?
Yo! Power the man!
Boy, I know some me a pass. And hear little pitney them attack. And just to find out, say, I said little girl will come here and they talk about him take him money and take him money.
Where say? Where really I talk about? Where I say to me?
Said little girl will come here so with his mother a while ago. Tell your little brother and chick up his mother and take his money. Boy, I can't believe I say little pitney that. And the woman come here and go on with the excitement.
Who hear the little girl attack? Say her mother, say she chick up her mother and her friend them and get more money.
Said little girl will come here a while ago with his mother.
Yo, stay here, so me so come here.
No, I'm not coming to stay, you know. See money here, you know. So, nah, I'm tired, you know, but here, you need to go out there and talk to your mother. And hear what go on.
Sorry, man. Sorry all the time you accuse you, you know. You see me? Cause you see it? Them thief the money and then I hear your name I call. That's why I say if you just stay here some man and not come out of yard, man. And not go a people yard. Cause them lie and them wicked and them I make it look like say you.
Daddy, I never go over there today, none tala. Only yesterday I go over there. I never go over there today. I ride there some different morning. And I never go nowhere.
Listen to me. Listen to me. Listen to me now. That's your problem, you know. You just don't listen. Me don't want you go over there, none at all. None at all. Because if you never go over there all the while, them couldn't call your name.
Alright, darling, I'm going to go over there.
I never tell you something what my old people them used to tell me, say. If you not got follow rules, them own shit on you. You hear me say? Alright. But you don't want nothing to happen to you, you hear?
You knew not this, you know.
I tell you, say, last son, I tell you about it, man. Yo, why she give me away? Yeah, man.
So then stay, man.
If me have a next girl like that one, me run off and jump over one cliff, you know. You think I joke, man. You think I joke, brother, man.
I say, brother.
Hey, me I say the girl empty me house, you know.
Well,
Done everything in there, you know. Then him turn on, yes, hey, you think of that, you think of that. He empty house and gone with all I sit there. I don't know where he's going with them.
bad woman.
When saying God, he can't turn around and burn up my clothes. I mean.
Well, I'm going to worse than you, man. Can me get 2 penny one at a time, you enough for me, no, man. One enough for me. Yeah, man, truth, me tell you.
Yeah, no, where he said, 1 out of 2.
You man say pregnant me, man, and me buy everything for him, man. Everything, you know, brother. Pyjama and really night clothes, baby clothes, everything. You see in the pit, man? Brother, one of them out there twin enough for me. You believe that, brother?
I want a wicked girl, that, brother. I want the wicked man. Yeah,
When
man.
me look on the tooth, me go hospital, go look in car, me say I'm pitney. When me go, me see him face screen drop, like him out to cry. So me say, man, I put them there. He can't answer. Me just walk out, you know, man. Not a word in English, I get it, but watch you know. Better me take them too. Because he go foreign, his mother go foreign, he go foreign, he come back. And the 2 pitney, I want to teach a girl, you know. The 2 pitney, one of them are accountants and one of them are nurse. Truth I tell you, know. So better me take them. If me take them, whether they get nurse money and accountant money too.
Yeah,
You know,
man. Yeah, man. I tell you, so they out there, my brother. They out there, man. They're terrible out there. Yeah, man. They're wicked for show, man.
Yeah, man, that's it.
Show, man. Right now, boy, I think to come more, you know. You know, the rum, the rum done, you know.
Now drink look more too, man.
I want to drink that for you right now, brother. I tell you. I want if you girl can give
Man,
it.
the most can get a trust from him. See if we can get a trust from him, man. Eh? Yes, man. From morning we there they drink, man. We no much can get a trust.
What you mean, man?
You can't
Yo,
turn around
they
and
are
get
beating
one
from
trust,
man for two, man. Yo, me call him if we get a trust, but this I done, you know.
How you mean?
We name a chaser, brother.
Call the that man, we get a trust, man. How
Call
are you?
him, man.
Yeah. Call him.
Sharpie. Sharpie.
Yo, I'm on.
Come in now.
Now come back, give me 2 minutes.
Alright, do your thing, we're there. Yeah, man, I will answer, man. There, man, I go and hold it here, me here, man. Boy, I tell us I'm not pretty.
Yes, I'm going to know.
Go on.
That moment you know you call me.
Boy, there, I hold it, you know, everything good otherwise.
Yeah, man.
See you look like you cook around there. Eh?
I'll cook along with you. Boil the water.
Man, you're bunny up, you know. But you look like you got fresh up though, Shappy. Fresh up on win idea, yeah?
Yeah, man.
Yeah, I thought on win idea. Anyway, you want now, no? You say, I flash I run out. And we are one team want flash from you.
Remember say, oh, me some money, you know.
Yeah, I know Shappy, man. You know where you going, man. But you know, don't know where you go, man. They are flash for a man. I run out of money still, you know. Yeah, man, they are flash for a man, man. All the elders saying run out and all and sitting there. So I say, well, I take it from you in the evening. God knows.
When you go give me a little something, you hold me.
Yeah, about Friday, you know.
But like I did say last time, I know. You forgot to. Eh?
Yeah, you know, say sometimes money they not come in or want if you come in, you know. You understand? I just that I think, you know.
That's why you should give me at least $100, $200, no. You would have cut down, you know. And see you walk on trust pan, you know, carry up higher. We're not going to get that little something, you know. That's me. I'll get a drink for you one, but not for you and your friend, you know. I mean, I will trust you half you, you know. I give you one drink for yourself. I mean, I trust you for you and your friend, but you can't get trust for you one.
Well, you want me, you know, one thing can't share for me and what for me and this and that. I want to get a drink.
So I'm daughter. You don't drink the Ghetto?
If you got your bill high up, if you got that few bill head and fee, man, and you take long to pay. Remember, I said year before last year, I owe me 6,000, and you intend to pay me. Every time you ask you, nothing not go on, and you know, said things slow on, you find all type of excuse to give me, and you not even pay all 200, 500, not give me no money, no at all. So you not intend to say nothing, no? Because I not trust you nothing. You're mad. A police me so called upon you.
No, man. Nobody with that, man. Nobody with that, man.
Hey, nobody with that.
Yeah, but Shappy, you couldn't just come here someone and take one drink for my friend, man, one drink for myself, or buy one drink for myself, man, or trust you, I can't give my friend a drink, man. That alright, man, I not this my friend, man. I not this you, you know. So I deal with, nah, this you, man. If you can help you, man. Yeah, man, because you don't know where they are from, man, you know, we are drink, I just run out a little cash, you know. But it will go happen still, man. If I'm tomorrow morning, man. So I deal with, tomorrow morning we can't deal with it.
You don't know this man, you know. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? Go up a top road there, man. Go trust out the whole of my friend, bar, man. You have all 9,000 bill up there.
Yeah.
Yeah, man. This man pile up your bill and can't let you walk away and laugh after you and go give young guys free money. You don't know why? Already me here saying get 25,000 and look to pay me and go give my girl around here so figure suck off brace.
So Ella, and then something I go on with, man. Suck off, so I let me sitting there. But you go hard, man. You go hard, brother, man. You want to go on with me, General? I have a little plan, you know. Yeah, man, we have to make up a thing to get the half doing. Yeah, man, we have to work out a way to get the half doing, man. But yo, hear me, I say, ask me that go on, man.
Yeah, man. How are you, man? You know what I say? I want to enjoy myself, man. Eh? Why I say enjoy myself now?
Well, you want, you want. Shappy, get through with the money, you know.
Yeah.
Yeah, man, what you talk about? You know, say that's how we work, man.
So give me money now, no?
Alright, where I come, man? I come with it, man.
Why me not feel good?
I'm here now.
Auntie, you.
You feel sick, man.
Then sit down,
You
man.
drink too much rum.
Yeah, deal with, man. Sit down, man. Yeah, man. Oh, yeah, sit man. One to you.
Man, me not feel good, man.
John, no, eh?
Yeah, man, me sick, man.
So how long now you feel so, man?
Me not feel good, man.
I got to just lean back and easy, man. Lean back and easy, man. You got
man. Pain, man. No feel good. Turn bad, man.
Right, man. Take off your hat, man. Take off your hat, man. John, no, eh? Yo, just hear some, No matter.
Turn bad, man.
Yeah, no. Shop it. You don't know how to call it.
Jesus Christ.
You don't look on the counter.
No, me not have no, me didn't really say alcohol, no, me didn't even realize.
Yeah, no, yeah.
Call the ambulance, me not know the ambulance.
John, no, star. Easy, my brother. Easy, brother. Hear me, I say, Shappy. Give me rum, Shappy. Give me rum, Shappy. My future rum. Give me rum. Just give me rum, Shappy. Yeah, man, I run more, Shappy. Give me rum. Yes, Shappy. Yo, you go right now. You go right. Don't worry yourself, brother. Alright. Yeah, man, you go right. Rum, come, man. Smell the rum, man. Smell the rum. Oh, smell the rum, man. Smell it. Ah, smell it again, man. Smell it again, brother. Smell it again. Ah, yeah, man. Smell it one more time. Ah. Watch out. Come in, man. Come in here and get a fresh breeze, man. I don't talk about, man.
You don't let me rum, man. Yeah, let me rum. Care rum, man.
Oh, God. It's a good thing you chat. Can go feet and can.
Yeah, man.
Happy. You know what I said? I forgot the rum. You know what I said? I want it to go through in my boss. Here. Yeah, man. Yeah, dog, me I tell her, dog, from what day, me I try to tell her, say, yo, you need to take the music serious. So me I say, dog, yeah, man, because me don't even want you to follow such man who bust from what day, you know, and see him bust now, and I be a f***ry dog I sing right now. So when you deal with a thing, a Bob Marley type of thing, you understand?
What you mean, man? I do the right thing, you know. Greatest one be, you know. While I mean, man, can't tame.
Platinum and gold, you understand me I say?
Oh,
yeah,
jokes,
dog,
man.
so we are going to deal with the thing this year, you see what I say?
See that funny black man? First me I see my
Well, I
face
don't
up.
even know who she, you know, but, you see me? But remember, me tell her, say, you know, dog.
Grandma!
Oh, yeah, who they call? Chin? You rich man. Come in.
Man, go and do your thing, you see me? And bless up, you see me?
No
Up
joke.
top, you see me?
You know what's going on?
You know you're in your teeth, so.
Yeah, do me happy to see your grandma.
Okay, come in, man. Put on your toothpaste. You sit down and talk. You can send me?
Yes. Mommy send something.
Okay, thanks. I'll pass it good too.
You know? Yeah. My face looks so sour.
I know so she a come now, but I don't want her to come because I don't really like her.
Your mother called me and tell me say they come now, but at the end of the day, you don't tell me anything. So I don't really like to know what is going on because me welcome you, you know. Because you're my granddaughter, I love you, and I welcome you, but as you see, time kind of stiff. And the little work they want me to do, the little egg they now sell all that fast.
Yes,
and me have my grandson here to and his mother sometimes send, but you know, so them eat like a farmer horse. So then this yam every day. So me need some more money and resource. So me no mind you come in and stay in here with me. But at the end of the day, what you go do?
No, mommy no money and you send me down here so if we go and look for work for me in time when me down here. So me just come down for my work and I can help you out in the meantime. You know?
Even though you think it's a work down here, work not easy to get. Because if you don't know somebody, you can't get no work. So, I don't know what kind of work you qualify. I don't know what you can do. I don't know what you intend to do. But at the end of the day, whatever little me have, me share with you. But I don't know how long that though can be. Because as we said, things not all that pretty. And the egg money them start feeding gone up. People then come buy egg as fast as they could. Maybe a little cake every now and then and sell. And I have the little bit them money what they give me. But I have the bills them to pay. The water, the light, all of them cable bill, internet bill. All of them bill you have to pay. So when you come now more, so I not go treat you bad. Don't try not to treat you bad. But remember I say me strict. I'm the one you in and now mix up with them people. Can me keep myself to myself. Because them a mix up and blend that. And when them start, then I stop and then when they come to go look what you have. And then I have nothing to give you. And me can tell you that. So as long as you will obey me and hear what me say, yes, and I go to the way and be rude, me and you agree. Me and you get along.
Grandma.
You hope you behave yourself. Sometimes we go to church. So you know, when you long out your mouth when we wake up and many time to say, follow me go to church.
Grandma, me behave myself. Me not give me no trouble. Everything you tell me to do, me go do. Mommy not tell you how me stay. Me not come out the house, you know.
Me and my grandson go to church. And me not left here. Because I know say when they say y'all on there, then go there fishing at me gate. And I don't want nobody at me gate there fishing, because no fish not over here. So keep them away from me gate, because I know they harbor shot them were there. As they see new face come in, they're ready to come suck blood and come dog. So remember that. Remember me tell you. Yes, remember me warn you on this first day you come.
No,
so
Grandma,
can't say me no warn you.
I have no time for them. Them that's not up on my brain right now. I come to help you and do little things around the yard. And I come for work. I don't have them sitting there on my head.
You will say that no, because you come down and you don't want me to welcome you in. But anyway, you come down and breathe.
Why you talk so, Grandma?
You go see, I know all you
don't like that, Grandma. You know if you sit there and sitting there, Grandma. If you think positive.
You can't take no young baby to cry on my head. So your mother must know say you good. And me now go have the time for to straighten you up. So you just do say you keep yourself on the promise now. So hope you keep your promise.
When me up so none of them sitting there and they go on. So why when me come down there that go happen? And Grandma, and any man me like, you know.
Maybe the man them hope they so never come up to your high side. But you see them down here so you have the good, the bad and the difference. So maybe you will see some down here so what you need to see up there so come in. Now which part of the son will live? Come to know your mother never invite me we wanna live. So me don't know. But at the moment we could that the conversation can be positive about life. Yeah, so me will show you your room where you can stay.
Yeah.
See more?
Can't get a game off like I look bad.
Just wait, me soon get you. Just wait me pass the delivery.
See more? See more? See more?
Yeah?
Come here, come help your cousin carrying this suitcase here. I'm going to show her where she can stay.
Miss Ponce.
Hello? Yeah, girl, I reach.
Yeah.
Yeah, man, I'm glad to know I reach. I wish I did this again.
No, St. James.
Oh, St. James. You know, say I be a chopper man what I do.
Yes, girl. Yes, BMW and Mark X, them drive.
Well, just try and see if I can get one of them.
No worry yourself, girl. I forget one. Just I go and easy myself. Me there with the miserable woman. The miserable. Start all that tell me about me if you come to come breathe and all them something. She go on. She alright.
Miss Punsy. Miss Punsy.
Yeah.
Well, on the girl. Miss Maria call.
Yeah, man. All right. Take care of yourself. All right.
Miss Punsy.
How that?
You know what I say? I want Miss Punsy me did want to talk to, but look here there. Look here there now.
Where the ask, sir?
Miss Punsy.
Nobody over here saying name, sir.
How your name, my friend?
You know, say I change my name.
Chin. Nice name, man. It fit you. Like your skin clean and everything, you know. Yeah, man, me do it. That's what I see how pass a while ago.
Yeah, don't they say they look for me?
You're supposed to know, say, I'm a joke.
Mm.
Go on to number before I left it up. So you look over the place, so you're afraid?
I'm not afraid.
Yeah, man.
Yeah.
Right, that's how I'm born and grow. You know, and I nicest girl I see come across. No joke. Wish I could have get you in my life, you know?
Probably.
Probably. Go your number before I left, man.
Yeah.
So yes, I can get your number.
Mr. Chino, what I really talk to my man.
What?
See her the grandma.
Let's see her. What are we? She bright. What are you going on with yourself? You start already and you just come, you never make you whatever dry. You start already after me talk to you. They look for what you out of the talk to. Look on that.
What do him?
Oh, you mean what do him? You know, see nothing do him.
Grandma, you have to deal with me, so no disrespect, you know. Just I try to get to know your granddaughter, lovely granddaughter. You
Stick
have,
up
you know.
in. Few time no come yet. Me soon deal with you. Me deal with she. Cause she over here, so you over there. So wait for your time. Wait. What are you going to so?
Just a reason.
Reason, say what? Reason? When they tell you, say?
He not tell me nothing.
So, your reason he not tell you nothing? Oh, you come here for? What is the problem?
Me not do nothing.
You don't do nothing. You see you hear them? You see them like push back coat, nothing of them? Oh, you mean you not do nothing? Look here, take time go on in for me job. Just go on in. You say to go on in. Oh, bad boy, turn for me. Yep, you want me shovel up here this man with a shovel here? Look at you, what's happening on my dog, neck and throat, please. Yes, you know. Where you for? Look here, take time, go down back little further this way. Where you for?
No disrespect, you know. You don't have to deal with me, so, you know. I just your granddaughter, I try to get to know, you know.
You disrespect me by just coming to me gate. No disrespect. Because you see, for years me know you never say nothing to me. You see me they come with me water them and you never help me to carry them to make me say, well, this is a good man. As a similarly for your kitty come down and not even land good. You they come on my gate, you have house, you have car, you have money in a bank. Where have you for? Our mama concern her down here say me if you take care of her. And because she young and she can manage but it are the wrong somebody listening to. Try not come back and me gate, you know. Now make me see you and me gate again. Oh, what?
No disrespect to that, man.
The little crab was boy but he come and me gate. Tell him where they go. Lord Jesus, me say, the little girl this arrive and he start already. Me, look here. Let me sit down here before me drop down. Let me ask you one question. Where really come down from?
Me not fit talk to nobody. I hear me every boy come like ask about Miss Punsy. So me just get up and go ask. Me I say when they ask Punsy, nobody know why
You just come down here. You hear people that get they call Miss Punsy. You don't know nobody named Miss Punsy. So make you flip up and go.
Just start we are talking now. Just start
And for you
with
go there, you have to do attention, nobody name song walk, come back in. You stand up out there, keep long argument. One argument go lead to the other end because when they see you, then go and give you a nice talk and push all $1,000 and get you.
You can't breathe me through the gate, you know.
But they also not back to your mother ever say you go galang, you know. As a matter of fact, come galang in. Go on in, the plate them down there, so come go on, go in, wash your plate them.
Hello?
I pray.
Who this?
The man I made it there Ghetto.
Oh.
You see, you're gonna go, not gonna be a problem, you know.
That's what you mean, Brandon. She kill up herself. But when you come down here fast. She alright.
So, basically we can link up on our time.
Boy. So she stay and me have to plan and me have to tell you what I go on. We can link up, yes. But me have to, no.
Alright, then I see a word.
Yeah, so me have to call you. And me have to call you. Alright, later.
Chat.
Yes, you're rude. here now. Let me call him. Mommy! Mommy! Mommy!
Oi, sorry I know my name so far. What me I know?
Me don't ask if you have going night town.
Yeah, me I go down in night town, but me I finish wash out them here. Them here so, and then when I'm done, me go down there walk my way walk.
Not true, me do you want to buy something for me?
So where you get money from?
I the money I save up from school.
So hold on there. So you dress up so like you go somewhere. Make sure no plan your plan for the yard, no little girl. Just try make sure you know. I don't want you bring nobody out of a place, you know. And that may I tell you. Right? Because me not understand you just interested to find out if me are the yard and when then you just dress up so like you go somewhere. If you ever left the yard today, mark it 10, just know where you go get when you come back in. You hear me I tell you? I come back off the road and you know something. And I come see nobody in my yard and you know something. I'm tired to talk to you.
I'm not going nowhere. I just dress up in the yard. Everything you just a cuss. So.
If you like, give me something to talk about and cuss every day about. Mona just a cuss, I get up a cuss like my mad. So.
But mommy, me simply ask you somebody come take out a problem them for me.
It's alright. You go and talk, you're free to talk, you hear? That may I tell you.
I simply ask you if you go somewhere, come want to buy something for me. I come go. No, babes, I can't come now. My mother there, so I'm going to tell you when to come. It is either I call you or text you when to come. I can't come. Alright? Love you too. Odien! 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 Oh, you're there!
Chanel!
Yeah?
Come here then. Alright, I'm going to town now. So, I want you to take out the clothes off the line for me here. And take out the chicken for out for me. Hey, and make sure you left the yard, you know. Make sure you don't come out the yard, you know. Because if you ever come out the yard and broke your neck in to the yard. You hear me say?
Yeah.
Where do you say you want tonight town again? Where do you say you want?
I don't want nothing. That good.
You sure?
Yeah.
Alright. So I go in my soup come. I have to take out the something for me and take out the chicken till I come back, alright?
Yeah.
Alright.
Hello? I can't come now. Alright.
You're not happy that? Happy every day there go.
Your mother don't have them here and go.
Oh.
So she not long there?
Yeah, she down there. I like how you live good. I not live far out. Want to keep up that. I like that about you. Know. A long time when I come, you know. You understand? You especially I just like you because I hear your name and mix up in a bag of man and them something there. You understand what I say? And that's a good girl. Them kind of friend them want my daughter to have. You understand what I say?
Hey man, she come like a sister to me. Red Channel, man.
Yeah.
Yeah, man.
I like that. This when I go down there, tell her if you take out the chicken, remember if you take out the chicken and take out the clothes off the line. Here. Alright, I want to be able to save it till I come back. Alright? Later.
Send me some sexy pictures and show me what I'm complete and I'm about the foolishness, you know. If people they just go in that bathroom and take some pictures. I want some sexy picture right now.
Chanel! Who that? How are you? I just see your mother up the road. She said she go in her town, sir. I'm supposed to go in her town, you know. I never know say you stop by. So like you have plans. So like you have somewhere to go. But anyways, your mother said remember you have to take out some out of the fridge and take out the clothes them off the line. So where you go? Girl, I tell you that they told me I go deal with something. And by the way, which plans you have talk about? Everybody just saw what traction myself. And me alone can't go do nothing. Excuse me, and I don't food now so we can't eat.
I'm going to cook girl, man.
Long time I see you too.
Bye, you good?
Yes, brother.
Alright, good one.
Long time I see you.
I'm glad to see you still.
So much coffee and fine there. You have to go wait little because my friend there, I never know if I should have stopped by. But I'm not that fat today. She loves sleeping, so I'm going to give her something for she sleep. And, you know.
It sounds like I can't see you and can't see you for me.
Friend, I stop by. I never know if I should have stopped by. And that go on, man.
Alright. As soon as you drop asleep, you call me, yeah?
Chanel! 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 Shall I call me? Chanel! Yeah! Chanel! Yeah! We are come myself for somebody there? But take out the clothes them, cause the time like it set up like rain and go fall and then dry. Yeah, guani. But should allow the lawyer. I should have left them, make them wet up and make your mother come broke you. They come and go on. I know you are come talk about. You see because sun act and talk about rain and go fall. But they're nice, man. Key, me have more on there, so look at juice here. Thanks. I'm not hungry, but the
patty tastes extra nice. Come on, extra the hair around it. So now carry the juice. Carry the juice when I have to drink it. Look at sun draws me up and little clothes and I make up and sleep. Did I use the sun not hot? And to the time they look overcast. I want to sleep. Out of the front. You have to hurry up and come because I don't want my friend to wake up and she doesn't see me at the house. So hurry up. Dirty boy, she want to go with me. I go to boy there. If I'm at that day, I'm moving now. I see you with the dirty boy again. I hope you use condom. How are you talking about, Abby? After I'm not going to do nothing, I'm going to town, I go. You hear me? I want you. The man that can't give you nothing. Remember, say you're underage and a big old man that.
Girl, remember me and a workless man that him workless.
Me I come go in here because you can go and chat and believe what you want to believe. Because me I tell you some girl and I told me not go do nothing.
She done broke up in nose and skirt. I'm gonna help her because she's not here. I tell me for idiot. You come here and call me and you know so she's not there. How for this? I must see the boy them with this up at the gate last night. I must them drop it out there. No, you know. No, after you see you look a girl that dull so when nobody talk to you. You might think say I like me like it when me I tell her this, but me I tell her for your own good. They say your mother have it all the day already. Me I tell her say just do what you have to do and you not even listen to me. Give me this.
But watch out, give me something man. You're gonna have for me and for your money by it.
Me really just.
Money for fix up my TV. Even I know one I gonna get my 30,000 fix up my TV, but I want it back, you know. Because the TV around there, so I'm my little fun and enjoyment. That to you, me I say, as a matter of fact, I want to fight for. One could have worked, but I could long now come and apart. I want now. Hey, wait there. I hope no man on in your war, boy, you know. Because you look a pitney. I know say he's very prime. Come, hey. I don't know, you know, but when I find my 30,000 fix my TV, you know. What are they really? So really, I be a shadow, what really a fight? Because I can't fool she's not war over and mash up all my TV. What really a fight over? You ain't talk to me.
You want me to tell her what happened? You want me to tell her what happened? Or you want to tell her what happened?
You don't matter if you want to talk about this. Me don't hurt me right now, you know. I'm going to lay down.
Somebody what really go on. You have to plan to tell me what really happened.
You need to know what go on, yeah? Sometimes I'm empty.
Alright, I just saw the ticket to go. Fly high, fly low, mark it down, 10 in here. When I have to go find back that 30,000 and fix back my TV. You don't think my TV I go so? Because I know I must push this to now war over. Remember me tell you no that. You hear? Remember me tell you no that. Because I know I foolish to now war over and mash up my TV by the enjoyment. You know, man? Fly higher, fly low, not forget about that.
Sorry for the fight. can't make this much of a friendship. Remember, so we're friends from a long time.
Understand that, girl.
Anyways, I have something to talk to you about. Yeah, if I always think, man, not have to whisper.
Yeah, and out there can come. Alright.
Alright.
No, I know.
No, someone wanted.
I want that now.
I'm pregnant.
Yeah, breed?
Yeah.
After the same dirty boy me that one about?
Yes, him same one.
I tell about him, you know. I tell about him. So your mother know about this?
My mother can know about it. Remember, say me young. My mother can't know about this.
So what you plan to do? Keep it or dash it away?
Me I keep it. I don't have no money for that shit pitney, so.
So you feel like you're ready for one pitney?
I'm not ready for that pitney because right now I'm now work. And if my mother find out about the situation, you know what I'm making.
The best advice I can give you after dash it right now.
I don't have no money. I give me some money.
I don't have any. Or you go to your mother and tell her the situation and see what she can do.
Because I say my mother can't know about this. But now work, plus, girl, my mother can't.
So, what you going to do? You don't know the man and police can lock you up or lock him up because you're underage.
Girl, right now I'm confused. I don't know what to do.
And I know I did that one about the boy. I tell you.
Babes, wagwan. But then, you don't miss me. Yeah, I miss you too. Hey, you don't even know I miss you, baby. Can't stop thinking about you. Yeah. You don't know, man. You know, say me now a little spot though. I don't know if you can give me a little helping hand, you know. Yeah, I don't know some TV mash up. I don't know where to find the first dollar, you know, for buy back one. Yeah. But 120,000 feet, man. Even half you can make me up with. Yeah. Yeah, man, send it to Western Union, man. Remember, say you can't send it to me because they block me. Yeah. So my daughter have a little friend there where I'm gonna make she collect it for me. Yeah, man. So you make do I send you the information. Yeah, alright. And then you will just send your information to me. Yeah. So we can deal with alright then. So yeah, babes. Yeah. So yeah, say I plan to travel. Yes, I mean, we can't wait for you to come. But you want to be able to, you have to go push down your date a little bit further down the certain month. Because you don't know, say, my time of the month, you know. Yeah. I know, man, I know. Just go and hold it, baby, because I hold out too. You see it? Alright. Yeah, man, thanks. Hey. 120,000 pity not even knows this. Hey, some get extra. Chanel! Chanel! How are you, girl, man? I don't tell her the field.
May I come from mother, yeah?
Remember if I talk to her about the situation, if I not want she plan to put you out, you can come stay with me.
How are you today? You know you're not me a call you. I'm not trying to say this left yard. Eh? Much time to left yard. Anyway, my friend there when me go down I was streaming and I go collect little food for me. Should I know this so? Me I want you link up because I have a piece of money more she go collect for me, you see? Alright.
Hello? Oh, that you know. Alright.
Alright.
You get tired?
Yeah.
Alright, me I go and wait for her then. So wait till I'm to you, you know. Ain't nothing, no. So I wait to look on my phone and as me I come. How? I'm gonna text up on phone. Well, as a matter of fact, give me the phone and let me see it. Mister, give me your phone, man. Give me it. Hey, pull the phone, pull the phone.
See them need to do nothing.
You need to do nothing, no? Wait. It's alright, I must find out how you're up to, you know, I must find out here. You say any day, name day, I find out say a man you have little girl. Let me tell you this. He might go straight to prison, that me I tell you. Hey, me even talk. You say if you ever breed na this girl, me tell you something, your grand people, them have whole heap of land you go and farm. I got a tongue go sell bag juice, because you're not staying here with it. And that me I tell you. You know what? As a matter of fact, go on and go find something for do in that house. No! And I make me talk twice. You must think so me a idiot. You think me a fool, you think me born big. I say the day and day I find out say a man you have in this year. Right through the door you go. I would have. How are you? Come in out there, son, man. Now go right back and run her back. Throw her back there, do something. Now call her come back here.
I smell. Hello? So me I call you from the other day, I not get you. From me I have sex, me I call you now and say for me not get you, I want me. But anyways, me have something to tell you. I'm pregnant. Hello? Hello? So really hang up the dirty boy hang up on me? See that something me a do?
So how you man run yourself on the phone? So how you love ends up by yourself on the phone? Now what interest you on the phone so?
No, me have something just check on the phone.
You know, something you check on the phone. Something you check, I don't mind things say me an idiot. All your little mind things say me an idiot. Anyway, your friend round the saw wait for you all long. So here what? See paper here the information. We're going to call it the something. 160,000. Not $1 less, not a cent less. And I'm wait too long. You hear me? I tell you, go on and come back.
Everyone, So girl, I said nothing to your mother yet about it? Girl, like for me, if you tell her, say me a breed, my mother say if me a breed, she put me out and girl, I can't tell my mother. But girl, I can't keep this fella, I can't keep that secret to her fella. I say your belly I go show you know. Mother, don't listen. Girl, come back here, my mother for ear. Just stand there. You look on me. Anyway, take it to I go find. But anyways, I was telling her mother, do you want to go now? I mean, I'm need have to change my dress. I have to change back this and put on my dress. Girls, and then nobody said I go breed. They done breed already. So it's either you tell her mother or me tell her.
Ladies, ready? Good? Ah, cool.
Yeah. Girl, you idiot. Don't tell my mother. Cause when I tell him the boy make me nearly fall out. I mean, I know you gonna have sex without condom, girl. What kind of style then there? Tell her if you dash your boy, I know the boy not call you from your breed. Girl, if me had the money for dash it away, I dash it away. Girl, I know, I'm just confused at the moment. I'm confused. I like a money are the problem, but yeah, I have a little style, but it's very risky. You can't make you not have no more pretty for the rest of your life, so here, I'm not here. Just come to me. Alright girl, come with me. Girl, I feel like something for taking my money to deal with something. Deal with what? The pregnancy for that show the belly. Girl, I'm mad. Mama say me I collect money in my information is collect the money in your mother that cost me out. But just to ask, anyways, I'm gonna find another solution. Cause I just ask me to ask. But girl, I know you could have never ask that. Anyways, that is a stupid question.
Dead! Yo, dead! Yo! Oh, sure.
Dada. Ah, John.
Yo, today you tell me, my youth. No bother with that, no bother with that, Today you tell me,
Dada. Yo, John, brother. I feel like a grown thing now, brother, isn't it? Well, yeah, we're going to look emergency roll up, isn't it? And right now the live cash permanent fund. You see what I say? But yeah, we're going. I know if you can just give me a little bit more time, you see me, because my girl for the youth something for me today, you see me? So I can make her get some money, you see me? But up until that time, I tell you, honestly, I have no money for me, Dada.
Brother, I every day store this, you know. I today I want the money, you know. I today, you know. Yo, and later. Just a later. It's alright. It's a different ball game. I look upon if later come and I not get my money still, you know. Yeah, my youth, I take you as a bridging. I take you as a bridging. You decide, say, yo, you can pay back by X time. And all now. Brother, Brother, me I warn you. Brother, me I warn you.
Yeah, for going so still no cause, you see me? I do not tell you say how my girl are forwarding today, you see me, with some funds, you see me? Just a little bit more time me ask for, you see me? I don't know if you go on so dog, I meet the whole neighbor would know me a business dog. Watch nothing man, I start out the business man, you see me? You know me not style them with them, a long time me a friend me.
I hear you know. But I just how you deal with things, you know, brother. Brother, you could have deal with this better than that, you know. You say you know I'm loud up and you don't want people to hear your business, but if you don't deal with this thing, you would have to reach us. So. Brother, you're a big man, you know. I can't believe you do me this. Me apart from school days. Me there with you. Brother, you don't need to go around me. But you don't say a woman come at X time. So, I'm going to see you deal with it today. Then we are going to know how we can separate the boys from the men.
Yeah, man, I understand.
Don't give me your word. Well, you give me your words over and over. But this time, I take it as the last. My youth. I make it reach no further. I make it reach no further. When I have to turn this in a different ball game. To be forewarned is to be forearmed. So what you want me to do? You want me to wait or what? Because you don't tell me say a woman are coming.
I know say I'm a busy man still now. You see me? I know say if nothing probably have things to do in a day. So if you have nothing to mash up, you can mash it up and give me back a link still.
Cut your bullshit! Come talk about...
Brother, I'm not bullshit dog. I tell you, dog. I'm not going this time around, dog. You see me? Because I know say a long time, you see me? You link me and can't afford for you to link me constantly, you see me, without me have a thing prepared, dog. So now watch nothing, I get a thing sorted out, dog. You see me? Just give me, as I say, give me a little bit more time. I say if you have something to sort out, just start it out and just give me back a link. You see me? I got the right, so I'm not going to
that's all me remind you. Today at the day. So if you know say you go around me, you know, just know it go. Here we go on. I'll link you back in 15 minutes. And when I come back, I want not talking. So, deal.
Yo, in 15 minutes, dog? Brother, we can't scratch me in 15 minutes, brother. Yeah, you man say, just give me an hour or two, brother. Just give me an hour or two, brother. You start out a thing, man. But 15 minutes, brother, come on, man. Me even spit a gun, it never reach in 15 minutes, dog. Daddy, come on, man.
Alright. You say an hour or two. You say it, you know. I'm going to give you time. Because it look like you dig your own grave. Now worry yourself. 2 hour time.
I did this, you know. But... yeah. Yeah, B. Hey, boy, some food in the bar. You know some more? Yeah, B. You think you can give me one link in idea? Yeah, man, give me a link in idea, man. You see me? One chat table. See if we can reach my foot. Yeah, man. Alright then. You don't know what you know. Well, since I say never come when time the mango did in, you see me I say? Just 1 and 2 left now still, but now 2 in the can get still now ready to move. You know?
Coming like mommy, you know. It's a story the man got them say when man got done out. I know. Remind me of mommy.
That's that, man. But no, don't worry yourself, man. Everything will go alright, man.
You know, me have a little situation.
What about?
Alright, brother. Alright. If you even know me, I have a situation and I have a surgery for the
Where's this? Surgery?
Yeah, brother, surgery.
What can, for what? What happened to you?
Don't know.
Come on, talk to me, man. It sounds like you don't even want to say what you want to say to me. Talk to me, man. What you say?
Brother, the same thing where Same thing happened to Mama, man. Same thing.
Sis, you serious? You serious? Right now, a joke you tell me right now. Yeah, you tell me foolishness, sis.
Never sleep last night.
A joke you make, sis. Right now, this sound like one curse the power as a family. Oh, sis, yo, sis. What go on? Where are you doing? Oh, some man just run for you. The money thing there, did you get the money? Oh, I never get none, John. Yo, don't watch nothing still, man. Don't watch nothing, man. Nah, man, you don't have to worry about that, man. You see me? I sort out something, man. Just little time, you know? I sort out something. I make something reach you, man. I'm one sister, man. I don't have nothing to you, see me? Yeah, man, no watch that. Everything are good. Alright. No watch that. Alright.
Alright. Yeah, but remember say you can't send it to me because them block me. Yeah. So my daughter have a little friend there where I'm gonna make she collect it for me. Yeah, man. So you make a do I send you the information. Yeah, alright. And then
Ladies, where are they? Good? Where are they, sis? Everything good with you? You girl there. Tell me what that.
Remember to pay your mother the money. Yeah, now go down, go change and come.
Yo. I know who they still know, but I tell you what I'm going. No, say you're breathing. I know you know why your mother find out. I know you're underage. So here what you going to do? I know say if you collect in some funds, you know. You don't worry about all this, man. I say I know I need to know. I just need to work how me tell you how to work. Now here what I got. I know say I get in some money, you know. So here what you do? I want you left 100 grand in a brown paper bag right up at the column. So I say, as a matter of fact, I tell you this, a life and death thing this is going to reach, you know. Just make sure so you do what I tell you, you see me? I'm serious, them way the man, you're dead.
Alright. I'm going to get the money and put it at a spot there so you can get it.
Alright then. That sound, yeah. You see me?
Do not tell my mother.
You know watch that, man. Me hold my end of the bargain. Yeah.
Baby, come as fast as I could want.
John, you know what I'm saying? That piece of money they really want to borrow for you because kind of like a spot, you see me? I know you stay.
So you could have said that over the phone. Yeah? How much money you want, so?
You know what I'm saying? Yo, the 50 grand, I look for borrow.
50? What me forget 50 grand? What me forget 50 grand? You know, what may I do? What kind of work you see me I do?
B, I know you just asked me how much money I want for borrow, B. I'm tell you say I want 50. Yo. Matter of fact, forget it, man. Me find out everything good.
Me will try. You think me just have $50,000 put on, so?
No, so that's not about never.
Me will try.
You don't make me know so you ask me how much and then I make you know how much is me and then can't move a type of way, you see me?
But differently not be, you know, so I think of some sort out you want, you call me. Well, come up here in the mood and thing, you know, if you find out the money.
Yeah, easy still, no. Yeah, I'm still kind of stressed out in the day and I can't try that.
So no, that's why you should have linked me, man. Release some stress.
What else for coming?
You're dead! You're dead!
Yo! Yo, that's man, come cross me. No. Yo, Dan, here we go on. You know, so I left the money up at Column. In the creases. Here we go on, man. No, don't think say I fool me a fool around this time around, you see me? I don't fool me a fool you. Me just run come did something, so I just stash it off, you see me? So here we go on, just go up on the column, look between the creases of the wall, and see if you see a thing, brother.
Brother, it sound like some joke thing you take this on. Like you don't understand how we are dealing with it. How? We deal with it too good. Like you fly past all your nests, you know. Yo, which color you talk about?
You know there's enough time me hang out the brother. So you know which color me. I only color me really hang out, so you know me I talk about. I just stop going, so daddy. I mean I tell you, I not send upon a while go chase.
You could have mad.
I tell you say at the end of the column. You see me? We just have something to deal with it and I couldn't bother to stay up the road and wait. You see me? I can't even explain what something will reach me now, brother. You see me? I whole heap of stress me right now, you see me? I'm gonna make sure I sort out. I make sure I sort out your thing because I want just more off my brain. So I say just go easy, man. You see me? You know if you bother with the one bag of loud noise, brother, and something, brother, you see me? Here we go. See there? I two phone them. I'm a car key. Two phone, I'm a car key. Hold them. Go up on the column now and go search and see if you don't see it. And if you don't see it, you can just hold on upon them there and go sell them or do what you want to do with them. But make sure so when you find the money, you just bring back my thing, them come give me.
I wonder where money there. Could I swear say you put the money underneath the mattress to backside. But you know to my head go sometime let me take out the money and not even remember to buy. No sir. Remember to buy. No sir. I wonder if we put it in this card. Yes, sir. No women get the money.
You sound like it. You sound like it. Because here, no? Mark the words. Now write it down. 10. 10 you not there? And sell them. So you decide. You could have mad. You could have crazy. You could have sick. Yo, I'll link you back in a few.
Swear say you put the money under the mattress. But nobody not come about me and Chanel there. After Chanel give me money, I put it on there. You know, say I'm going to ask Chanel. I say I'm going to ask Chanel. I'm going to swear say I'm going to do.
Like I eat this man take man for now. No brown paper bag no there, sir.
I know so I could have swear Mr. Chanel come for another little corner left for me the money on that mattress. You know, so I could have a little girl I got to take out my money from underneath the something. Hold on there. Watch me and I'll blouse and skirt and now. Chanel! Chanel, where my money there? Look girl, my money there, you don't know for my money. Where you say you don't do it? You better say I'm murder you know this. Hey girl. Hey girl, where my money there? Shut up. Hey, where my money there? Hey, where my money there? Hey, where my girl me say my money there? You don't know for my money there. Hey, me you don't know about my money there. Shut up. Hey, where my money there? Hey, where my money there? No, you need no, because you're pregnant. Where you say? Wait, you know what? I know you're dead too. Where you say you do? Wait, what she say you do? What me so? Breathe out, why you breathe? Wait, backward.
Morning people, hope you like the movie. Remember to like, comment, share and subscribe. And hit the post notifications.
Talk to the people them. You know you have to talk to the people.
Look you can put on me, but nobody ever knows
Anyways, people, Felicia, yeah.
Anyways, people, Felicia Cooper here. More big up AV. And want to know if you like, subscribe, and share.
What you mean? What you mean? What you say, my general? Tell the people what they know.
You see you? Straight to this. I don't know a thing, isn't it? Jamaica, big up yourself, you don't know a thing. Like, subscribe, share. Isn't it? Big up my mother, big up my father, isn't it? Big up the whole Atkins of family. You don't know Mumpella the place, isn't it? Tell you that right now, big up the whole Mumpella gang. Isn't it? Easy yourself, no man. Big up AV, big up Akim, big up Akim, you have to big up yourself, you know what I say? I don't know. Big up my brother and sister, them seeing you, Mika, Richie. You know the thing, isn't it?
I don't know, no look out for me, just put in some work, I put it together. When I see me next in the episode, you see me? I make you laugh till next year then time. I hear that Ojo, the 1 and 1G. For Instagram, I go send out my sneakers business. When I check out for the body Air Jordan, the body Retro 23, them gonna look
alright, yeah, ain't take too much of the stuff, you know about that?
And action. And action.
Well, I'll pause it. Mister, give me your phone, man. Give me it. Hey, pull the phone.
See them neither do nothing.
You neither do nothing now? Wait. It's alright. I must find out what you're up to. I must find out what I'm going here. I must. You just wait.
She come here.
Action.
Stop that shut
Action.
Girl, you idiot. Don't tell my mother. If my mother find out about this, my mother go kill me. You want me to tell yourself she'll go on the veranda with me? Yeah, idiot girl. Me not no money for that show the belly. Do not tell my mother. Me not tell my mother. Me don't see her. No, me can't say me don't see her.
Action. Action.
Yo, brother, you are going, no? You know, so I treat my run.
When I want.
It's like that.
And action. Check some more, man. Take a little more time, man. Check.
I'm done, sister. She asleep.
Yeah, check a little more, man.
Ready?
And action. And action.
I know say a long time me not get no sort out and thing. And every 2 days my nature call. So I want that.
Yes, people, board grand once more. I tell you if you check into AVTV, you don't know. Over here, so there. Yeah, man, in the east, Yeah, I want you see what I go on because I'm put in the work and I tell you, trust me, the thing them hot. You know, I don't know how to do best. Go over there, go subscribe, like, comment, share. You wear the pen pound. You don't know. Your boy, Boyd Grant. Stay tuned. Up. Action. No, don't the same.
Don't sir?
Again. And action. Action.
The spit?
Mm-hmm.
But then I'm
Yes, hopefully you can make it this far in the video but can talk to you. So yes people, hope you enjoy the little movie there. And if you don't make it this far and you subscribe it, come on, it only makes sense you subscribe. Me keep you here this long, eh? Well, all of we keep you here this long. So go ahead and subscribe, like the video, share it with somebody else, make them get some entertainment. You see me? So, yep. And if you tell no one you can look forward to, well, you don't know this channel, you get the whole works. Short films, a vlog, everything, you see me? But for the people who just strictly want to see movie anytime them get a post notification, check the pinned comments, or the first comment you will see. Will lead you to a channel that I'll only upload movies over there. So definitely go and subscribe to that channel. Over here, short films, vlog, the whole works, because I don't know, me is a camera lover. Now I left my camera, we're married till death do us part, you see me? So, yeah, music videos, weddings, short films, movies, the whole works. As long as it's video, I'm in. So, thank you as always for the support. Thank you for follow me so long. Blur it not from police days. Big up on yourself, manners and respect. And Laro shall see you very, very soon. Oh, Jano. One day, I feel big up nobody when I'm not big up. Yo, big up everybody. Little more. Big up on yourself. You're not too late. You're not too late for your stop. You can't bring you in and make you get somebody and make them get help for you. You need help. You need to talk to somebody. Like, we don't know what really go down in your past or whatever. But you need
shut up. You don't know nothing about me. You really need to shut up. Brother.
You're sick. You need help. Tini, you need to get help. You're not going to get away with this. Me, I tell us you're not going to get away with this.
Shut up, shut up. Help. Meaning help. Are you need help to stay you in a room? Come like I can't see.
You just, we can't even imagine the amount of turmoil we are going inside of your head right now. And you are refused to get help, just are going to make it worse.
Boy, man, you know, I feel like we get electrocuted while wet. Alright, so I'm gonna try to experiment. Let me show you what her might be.
Ah, girl, how you do? Yo, move fast.
I tell her say, yo, you see if I need one thing, as a big man just ring sitting in a, yo, you make man a pre some way and hell.
Virgin, me no make no money, what you have me to do now? No money no make, man.
Say, yo, man, you. I don't say all the while I do this thing, big man, a pre certain way right now.
Because I tell you the truth, you know. You know, say your man rich, you know, Bridget, as a man, you know. I have no money, you know. Also, I try also my thing, you know. Alright, now I make man pre some way, you know. To do all some things.
Yes, sir. I don't know how, I don't like how you behave, man. Too little time, nothing no move. You behave, so, man. Oh, man, you don't have to behave, so, brother.
Because you don't even know, say, me
Yo,
go empty me clip in your face and a response for me in a big man. I tell you the truth, you know.
Whip.
As a virgin, you know. That's
Yo,
all
whip.
like somebody else. Yo, mama. Oh, yeah, man. Me there, man. Come on, peel. Yo, brother. I bet you go on where you go in a big man. I tell you the truth in a big man.
You have to go and say no.
I bet you go on where you go. Yo,
You
man,
have to go on like
just
that,
go on
right,
where you go, big man.
Easy.
So you say you need no more, I pray.
No, say more, I think me come for do.
Don't know say you 50 grand no more.
Whip. The regular customer, you can't do me look better.
Don't know say you can't take nothing off like business or business, you know. You know it's risky, you know. Don't know, you know. If police catch me with this and how much money, you know, long more that I have to spend in a prison same way for this. I have to know where business going, you know. You see me? So 50 grand take you or leave you, know, this side there, you know.
Alright, give me 15 ounces. Same like last time.
Right. I'll go for your stuff, don't move. Yo, crazy. Yeah, man. You know, I said that me there chill, dog, and he be come check me till they come buy sitting off of me, dog. But I see him be here, say I mash up down, so you know, dog. Yeah, man, you see him be there, we want it for about 6 or 7 murder, boy, and police boy, they want her for, dog. She a mash up the place, you know, dog. Yeah, man. Right now, dog, I'm not think she want, but that girl let me place, you know, dog, more. You make it dog, they know a thing going on, brother. Because God knows, you know, brother, that woman is not normal, you know, dog, I tell you, you know. And she a mash up the whole over, so, you know, brother, you know, I look at she.
Yeah, I go an idea, you know, in a place, yeah. No star. I can go and for me an idea. Lighter, yeah. Yeah, biscuit sweet there. Yeah. Yeah, man, everything there. Yeah. Yeah. I come like say what I'm sardine and God, I was see it on, so I jack long I walk. Yeah, man, everything look like, man, can chop a food. Yeah, that's it.
I go and tell him, so you look like you're happy, we're here about.
There, man. There, I go and hold it, you know.
Come like I get some money, man, or something.
No, sorry, you know, say, I don't really not like that, but don't know, say, I bring in one little gift for me in the morning, you know, so I feel good, you see me? Yeah, man, I buy a decent fridge, come drop in the house there.
Wow, things are going.
I will tell you, cool water, can't drink, and oh, I will tell you. I say alright.
Anyway,
man, I say things set, you know.
Pepsi more, you know.
You say hot or cold?
Come on, cold one.
Alright. Man. So I go on.
How much is the feet again?
150.
$100 me have, you know.
150 for Joe 7 on my friend. John, why not? So me I deal with. You want me, you know. I really want you take you as a habit and you trust him for early morning, you know. You don't know, I ducks not broke yet, you see me?
Alright, sorry about that still.
Yeah, I see alright.
Alright, let me come back with some money, man.
Alright.
Just send it out.
Alright. You tell your boy, you come back with money, you come more food, you take man for. They were sitting on the door all the while, I come short my money, I come talk about you come more. I come take man to idiot. I go on, you know, my dog.
Bad man want to tell us be a police dog, they say no bad boy.
Eh.
Tell the dog. Come like the whole upper station up there, brother. At first, I see too much police in my place, bad boy. Come like something going up there, bad man. Shot fire? You ain't no shot about the place?
You no shot fire up the road.
Bad man, right now, I'm going easy back right there, you know, because I'm not going to make them board and all and pull me, you know. See, once me get all the new work right now, you don't need no police, bad boy.
Don't worry, man. Yo, just go and block this, man. Everything good, man. Yo, I just go to the career road, them go to check some man up the road, you see me? Yeah, man, them soon clear off up them, man. Don't worry about them, man. Just go and hold the order, brother. You see me? So you say I go on now? You see they're on a new work.
Until you say out from the hotel, me get a piece of work there, my brother, and things are going good, still in a bad man. You see a piece of hustling can go on in a, you see? Yeah, man, people them love half a weed up there, especially the white boy them in the dog. Swear you out, a piece of food can make right now is a link more right now, I can get eat some weed regular, you see me?
Yeah.
Right now I did it so the thing take off my G.
Yes, brother, man. Then yo, you don't know say right now you link the right as a G. A right place to come, you know.
So yeah, say brother?
Yeah, man, a right place to come, G, man. A right place to come. Right now you link their foot. Any amount you want, any kind you want.
You have a link? What kind, yo, how the price them steak? Right now I want a good pound and a half or stuff to bring in, brother.
Oh, yeah, so man, right now we have a lemon kush, we have a pineapple kush, we have a regular herb, same way. We have all of them on different levels, you see it. But here why prayer now, in general, me have to go make a link, you see me, towards the pricing of rare and forget in the amount where you want, because you know really they are foot so like that, you see me.
Yo, yeah. You know, so the lemon kush we had the board them at talk about when I hotel the brother. Around when we could have come pick up back that?
Yo, you could have get piece, you know. Yeah man, you can get piece by a little more.
Pound and a half, how much is that?
You want no, pound and a half, it will run about, pound and a half will run at about 250,000.
Alright then.
Pound and a half.
Simple much that man, you can make back that man.
By 5 o'clock.
Alright.
Just come check me by 5 o'clock. I make a phone call right now and make the dog drop you on my foot here.
Alright then, it's a couple hours from now.
By 5 o'clock man, that at least.
Yo, cuz.
That's guidance and protection. I right place, G.
Alright. You see how old man, you know say I'm a general.
Yo. How you have come man? Remember say boy then out there, you know man. But I go too fast, brother. Go and humble man.
Yo, nah. Look at them gun, man. Look at them cut, man. I go for that thing there, you see me?
Alright.
Go for a piece of brick and come back. Remember you say 5 o'clock, you know?
Yeah, man, by 5 o'clock, man. How are you, man?
See how
by 5 o'clock, me J, man.
Oh, hello. I didn't realize someone was around there.
Yeah, man, me there, man.
Can you sell me a bottle of water?
Yes, hot or cold?
Room temperature.
Room temperature. Miss, you're not from around here?
I'm actually from around here, but I flew out when I was like 8. So, I'm just coming back. But I like your shirt. Are you from around here?
Yeah, man, thank you. Yeah, I'm from here now. Right here, right over there, somewhere live. Yeah, man, we just operate in the shop, so, you know. Yeah, man.
Oh, so you managed to all this by yourself? Like, don't you have a girlfriend or someone that helps you with all this? Because this looks like a lot of work.
Yeah, man, I have a girlfriend, man. And I tell you, say, as I mentioned, girlfriend. I tell her right now, I don't know what would I do without her. Yeah, because I tell her right now, she means well to me, my friend. Yeah, man. But you want now, you see shop part not really hard for run. Yeah, that part not really hard for run. We just buy the stock of the buy and put in back of the put in. And you know what I mean? Make sure so we don't dash a little profit, you know? Yeah, man.
So, like, I really love and care for your girlfriend. Oh, right over this is here, right?
Yeah, man.
So, y'all don't live because I don't really see nobody come down here.
Yeah, man, you know my girlfriend don't really live here. No, she just come and go. You know what I mean? But you don't know she there most of the times. But based on work, you know? Yeah, she have to dip on the outskirts.
So when she gone, you know, I'm sorry, you know, feel lonely. Like, the house not lonely, you know, and like a company.
Yeah, man, you don't know saying as man little feelings have to take away and all them things, you know, but you want now. When time I feel them feelings, I just video call her, you know, I text her, you know. And so we just link one the same way. You understand? Yeah, man, and just make everything run normal. So anyway, I never get your name, miss.
Oh, sorry, my bad. My name is Tina. But I didn't get yours either. What's yours?
Yeah, Kevin, my name, man, Kevin. You can just call me Kev. Anyway, Miss Tina, you want anything more in our shop? Is there anything more there what you want?
Mr. Kev, if I tell you what I want, it wouldn't be nice because from what you're saying, it look like somebody have it locked already, or should I say under control.
Yeah, well, you know, say, me try to get, you know, so me I try to understand. Me not really understand what you say. Serious for me.
Well, let me give you my glasses because clearly you can't see what I'm trying to say here. Kev, is it Kev, right?
Right.
Kev, from coming here, I can't stop but admire you. And was I tell a string of it, or you want?
Alright, I tell you, Tina. Tina, you see them was right? Jano, Tina, may I tell you something? You're nice and all that. There's no disrespect to you. Yeah, because you're looking awesome, but yeah, I have my girlfriend. And I tell you the truth, I don't really have a disrespect her, you know what I mean?
Okay, Mr. Kev, I heard you loud and clear. But in case a girlfriend forget what she has, then, you know, I'm here. But I can assure you, this won't be the last time you see me. Girlfriend or not, me, I forget the boy. Look at me, I'm going to talk about girlfriend. Girlfriend or not, me, I forget the boy.
Oh, my phone. That's my phone, man. I want to let me left your yard, man. Okay, you know, so now I go for you. Oh, yeah, something left it. To that. But that's more time I'm gonna call her, man. I'm have to hurry up and call her back right now. Nah, man, I left the phone over the yard, yeah. Out of the shop, me reach and by me reach out there, me did a little time, I realize I don't see the phone, so I start look now and me look over the whole place and I never see it. So me just say me I take time and walk come over here, come look where I go on if over here me left it. So when me see them, me call them, and that's why me say me have to shout you back. Yeah? Nah man, me wish woman. Nah be man, no bother with them thing there man. No bother with them thing there man. Which woman you talk about man? I tell you say over the shop me walk go. Woman over there. Say me there woman over there. Yo, no bother with them foolishness man. No bother with them thing there man. And then sit there me can't deal with it, you know. Yeah. Nah man, no bother with them thing there man. You see why you push off for me you know. Over foolishness. I mean I tell you say I left the phone over here there. Yo, you want now, no bother with them thing there man. A joke thing you depend you know man. Cause right now my head kinda hard for a morning thing, you know. You come with them advice for me you know. A different thing you depend. Me not really depend on vibes, you know. Hello? Hello? So how wish you do? Hang up for me. So all them a sit there and know me I tell you, you know. All them a sit there and know me I tell you, you know. You see all them a vibe you know. My friend, you could have killed me.
You know, I don't know what come over me a while ago, but what happened a while ago definitely wasn't me. So, I think we should like forget about that and let's have a drink.
Listen, I must have to tell you the honest truth, I don't really drink.
Really? Like, come on. I never come good a while ago and right now I feel like it. I come back now I can get like a next chance. You give a next impression. I just want to drink. Have you say you're in a good mood, so just take a drink. I just want to drink. Come on. I try to redeem myself from the whatever I just say a while ago. I just want to drink. One drink not kill you.
Yeah. We can't have a one drink still, yeah? We can't have a one drink. I know him feel too hot still for real, so that would have can help to cool me off.
Yay, that is great. I don't know what you guys drink, but ooh, I see tequila. Give me some more tequila.
So you say I chase it with an miss?
Nope, on the rocks.
Rocks, alright. Why may I tell you, my friend, trust me, I'm glad you kind of come down on a level, you know. Because, boy, I told you come in for me not too long, I swear, say, I get timid.
You know what I'm saying? I down there and I was like, he must have wondered how just come on upon him so.
Yeah, I'm serious, you up to something.
That's not me. If you will go to somebody and tell somebody, say, me come down here and talk like that or act like that, straight, then what I tell you to stay alive because I swear to God, that's literally not me.
Yeah, but I'm happy to know, say, you know, you change up the vibe and thing because right now, I tell you the truth, I have one woman there and she is not too good, so I can't take her no problem, you understand? My woman nice, you know. Best, you know, but yes, when it comes down to the woman part, I cheap out. Yes, I'm not really run them joke there. You understand? Yeah. So I say I go on, Miss Tina. But you go hard, man. I can't make you show me up some man. Then I have to take one shot to man. But you go hard, man. I cannot take a shot. can't cut your door, you know. But as I mentioned, high school. But they ever tell you say you look really, really young.
Yeah. Hear that all the time, but don't interrupt me. As I was saying.
Alright, sorry.
Exam and go drink, like with smoke, with drinks. You know this is going from a long time. Now I'm gonna drink and talk about boys. And up to today, everybody feels that we're seeing, like nobody at all. I mean, like literally nobody found out about anything.
Yeah man, watch out now, I give you our next instance, you know, say, I go to school, you know, here what we do, save up the lunch money, you know, and decide, say, you know, so we not go to school today. So here we do, we buy the entire Appleton, like big buckle them. Yeah man, we buy one big buckle of Appleton, you know, one big buckle of Pepsi, you know. Yeah man, I tell you, so what, I turn around a yard back, you know, and say, I drinking for the day, you know. Half day we do around there, you know, every man junk, you know. We live across the road and I can't go over my yard, you know, not even my bicycle or my ride come over there, I couldn't take up, you know. Yeah man, and I saw my granny come catch me over there, you know. Junk like a bat, pay bad out me, of course. Take me up and carry me go over yard, what lick me get. And I tell my friend I'm not normal. I get licks until I wake. From that day I never junk again. God no. But we got to it, man. Well, my friend, you see, you come in and say one, and I end up say one drink, and see it there, and one drink left in there, you know.
I tell you, so sometimes fly when we have fun. But we can't share that, because I want drink, right? So yeah, we can share that, but one tracer this time.
Are you yourself on the rocks? So, right, like it I get to you now. Alright, my friend, don't worry yourself. Who you say? What kind of cheese you want?
Orange juice. Come like this, I'm gonna lie with steel. Could you want to drink, how else I'm gonna go wash you? No, sir.
Stay in here, you know, someone go hold a quick leak and come back.
Pour the juice before you leave.
Alright. That's alright?
Yeah.
Here you go. Soon come back. Yeah? Yeah.
So,
I feel relieved.
I saw your brother long.
Yeah,
you know
man.
how long you gone?
It's not really long, you know. But you have now, you know, so we have to leave for there and drink, you know. So.
Drink you one juice, man. I know you.
It's different. So, yeah, it is. Hello. Mr. Afi, so good. I don't want me drinking ice. I feel someone, I feel weak and free. Yo, you know, our Girl, how you put in a drink, give me? Eh? How you put... Help! Somebody help me! Help!
No, you're still alright.
So my girl, what you do to me? Just... What me do you know? So my girl, what you do this
Shut
for?
up, man.
Eh? You mean, what you do this for? Money you want or what? Eh?
Shush.
Stop
it. Shut.
Yo, if I'm money you want, just tell me, make me give you no man. You don't have to do me so. Eh?
Yeah. You're supposed to come home for half an hour. Tie you up. No.
Which part? Where me there?
If you try to escape, no one will see you. If you try to scream, no one will hear you. If you escape, there will be serious consequence. Okay?
Oh, me dear, you know my girl. My girl, you know who you are dealing with, you know. You know who you are dealing with, you know. Yo, no matter how fuck you hear all the bike them out there saying that me tell no fuck me there from the road, you know. You better take off all them off of me right now, you know. Go on about my business, you know. Cause right now, you know, I'm getting mad in here, you know. Yo, my girl, you make me get mad in here, you know.
Then brother, you're mad in a guan. You want to go anywhere you want to go, you're guan. Can't come like something wrong with you. You can't see. You're blind. Look why me fright for. You know much man would I want me right now, and you are going like an idiot. From a come here, you're going like an idiot, like you don't want nobody, but I have a girlfriend, bro. Shut up. Plus, you have a lot of words to your man will get tied up by a girl.
My girl, me I tell you, you know, what you do with no hurty, you know. So me I do what you do no hurty right now, you know, foolishness you do, you know. So we say when you have me tell a person, nobody now come look for me. What you feel like, say me not know one. Eh? But if police must have come look for me, you know, somebody must have come look for me, so you must know what you deal with. Yo, if I know money thing, man, yeah, what you do. Just tell me what I go and tell me what me do, make me do it. If I'm money you want, girl, just tell me you want, me give you no man.
Bro, you're not understand, No money at all. Not this a word there. What should I say? Help me. Brother, It's like you don't understand. I you me want. But everything I got alright. You see, if I never did that play stubborn, in the first place, I would have been in a rooms. All of this is because I did that play stubborn. But don't worry. I have nothing for you. But most of all, you soon understand what we have when I read this over here. But most of all, we are good there.
My girl, you don't say you need help. Eh? You say something wrong with you. Eh? Imagine you have me as a tire, but you have me as a tire for. You know, so I tell you from you coming to the shop the first time, I kind of see say something wrong with you. Yeah, man, God knows I don't trust you from the first time you come in the shop, you know. Yo, you better let me go, you know. Just pull up your rope and let me go. Hey, here, I come like something wrong. You say you want to go to the doctor. You say something here.
Shut up!
What do you mean for shut up?
What me say? Shut up!
Yo, you say you're getting crazy. You say you're crazy. Yo, you're a mad woman, you know.
You know, hear me say shut up. But one go doctor. One go doctor where? Because me a treat a good and you come talk about one go doctor. And then say I'm get cross, you know, man. Don't, you better shut up and let me have to deal with it or come deal with the rest.
Sir, right now I just show me tie up, make you can't tell me them I'm sitting there.
Tell me 5 o'clock. Dog, let me place. Tell me 5 o'clock. It's a far back 5 o'clock and him lock up. What the dog got, man? One left from there. The door open. Most of the girl him hungry. Hello, mommy. General sit over there?
No, you know, Gone up on the road, you know, saying gonna make stock, you understand? So, he not come back about 2 to 3 hours. You want to leave a message or something?
I know, say that little thing me and him for deal it still. I don't know if him tell you nothing still, but me circling back from 5 o'clock, you see me?
No, sir, he never said nothing to me.
Alright, you know, 5 o'clock gone, I'm going to say shop open, so I wonder him so forward back.
No, sir, I come back about 2 to 3 hours. Just have to fill up the place, you understand?
Alright, then make a dog know some me circling, yeah?
Alright, we make him know what I'm going.
Make some link with some man in the dog. It's like a joke thing that it's more a lame up man thing, brother. Me forget. Wait. I'm gonna see her. I'm gonna come to my shop today, yo. Mama. Look at it. Slimmers, now you want me see her come from my shop today?
Yeah, what happened? Who you?
You know, say I come from my shop today. I see her earlier. I say, yo, I see if I try to find out if I have a link to the shopkeeper. And instead of circling back, I'm go up there and the shop locked. I say, I want one kitty up there and I don't know, she tell me say I'm not dead it. And she lock up the place. And then if I told me dress her how me look still, you see me, but when I trust her style, I feel like judge she try to judge me. I want to know if you have a link to him. Right now, me and him have some serious business and it's urgent. So that me want to know if you have a link to him.
No, sir, I don't have no link for him. But I'm a G. But I don't know if I have no woman up there. But I'm going to pass up this still.
Alright, so thanks, yeah, mama. Thanks. Yo, dog. General, I know, so I just come up and shop on the shop lock, brother. Which part you there? Up in your yard.
I phone on the pan. Give me that.
Hello? Hello? Phone cut off. Call him back.